So today we are fitting the new interior to the Audi TT. Let's get in my car. So we're gonna head to my lockup, go collect the interior, come back, we'll strip the original interior that's in it, and then we will give it a quick clean. I'm gonna hoover it, but it's not gonna get like a proper valet until after it's MOT. So we're gonna give it a quick hoover, just so I can get pretty much clean right under the seats, like a really good thorough clean. Fit the new interior and then show you what it looks like. And then it's getting its MOT in around 3 or 4 days time. We're so close now to like finally getting this ready to go to the paint shop, but the interior is going to make it look so much different. So I'll see you at the lockup. We're here at the lockup, car's ready for loading, and here's my lockup, full of absolute junk, but the interior's here, look. So we've gone for black leather interior, so it's exactly the same as what's already in it, but obviously black. I like the original seats. I wasn't interested in going for like bucket seats or anything like that. It's not going to be designed for a full-on track car. Probably might take it on track, but yeah, it's not designed to be a track car. So we've got front seats, rear seats and door cards, and I actually got this in a bundle with the front bumper and the headlights. I got everything for 400 quid, which I think is a bargain, to be honest. So let's get these loaded in the car and then head back, and then we'll start stripping this interior. So it's time to start stripping this interior. It shouldn't take too long, to be honest, because all there is you can see down there, there's a bolt there, a bolt on the other side, 2 at the back, and then it's exactly the same for the other side as well. Now the back ones, I think the actual back like bench, that just clips into place, so that should just pop straight off. And then the 2 rear like backrests, there's like a few screws that I need to undo to get those out, looking at the other ones anyway. So the good thing about having all the new interior anyway, I can see where things bolt on and where the clip and stuff like that. So let's get straight to it. Let's start taking the driver's seat out and the passenger seat out, and then we'll remove the back. Now move the seat out of the way. You can see there is 2 plugs, the green one and the yellow one. I just need to unclip them and then I can actually pull the seat out. So nice and easy, get those out, and then obviously do the other side, and then I can start cleaning it up. Hey, right, the seat should come out now. Move it forward, it'll be easier to get out. Now the seat's out, you can see how much rubbish is underneath. So obviously all this will get cleaned, clean all that. Oh look, 15p there from the previous owner. So that was easy to get out. What we'll do is we'll move over to the other side, quickly get that one out, then we'll move on to the back. Happy days. You can see how awful they were. I mean, I hate that. But yeah, I'm just not a fan of that colour, especially when the roof lining's black. I think it's just going to look so much better with it all black. But now, with no passenger seat or front seat, the car looks so much bigger. Again, full of rubbish, which will clear out. So yeah, straight to it. Let's move on the back. Now, I think this will just literally unclip. There we go. And then just slide out. Pretty sure anyway. Oh. Straddle the handbrake. Not too much though. Just got to get past these seat belts. There we go. There we go, that's out. Nice and easy. Ooh. Again, absolutely full full of stuff here, full of shite. So now the back bench is out. To undo these back rests here, I think I just undo that seat belt mount there, and the same again on the other side, which is just there. And then, oh actually, oh there as well. I think I need to undo those parts because they all join together. Oh actually, was that part there? Can't figure out. There's a screw up there as well, so it could be that part. Oh actually, it could just push up. I'll figure it out anyway. So yeah, I'll go get some sockets now, undo those seatbelt mounts, and yeah, finally get this interior stripped. Then we'll give it a good scrub. God, if you can't see, I'm absolutely sweating. It's not that sunny today, but it's just humid as anything. So yeah, I apologise for the beading head. Whew! And that is the full interior out, fully stripped. Honestly, that took about 20 minutes. Not bad at all. So if you're ever thinking of changing the interior in an Audi TT Mark 1, it's pretty easy. So what we're going to do now is we're going to drive the car around to my house, just so it's closer to the Hoover. I can get it all cleaned up, we'll get the new interior in, and then we'll go for the door cards. I think that is the best bit. This is mad driving this car with no interior, so let's start it. Oh my god, with no seat you can literally feel all the vibrations underneath. So it's a good job I'm 6'3" and can still see out the windscreen. But yeah, we're just going to drive it literally 100 yards, not even that, just to get it outside my house. And the exhaust is going to scrape because the exhaust has fallen off again. Not great. Oh. Don't know if you can hear that. God. Oh. Honestly, this is such a weird feeling. I wouldn't recommend it, it's really not comfortable. So, I'm get it next to my house here. There we go. Told you 100 yards away. Right, with the house, we'll go get the Hoover set up, and then we'll start cleaning it. Oh, let's do it. That interior is looking so much better now. It's not 100%, but this car is going to be getting detailed, a proper full valet, because this car is going to be at a car show in 2024, and that car show is the McCann soapbox race on Monday the 26th of August. This car is going to be on the show and shine. I'm going to put a link in the description for the tickets. It's going to be a great day out for car enthusiasts, families. Come and say hello if you see me or see the car. I'll be around it all day, and yeah, hopefully everything will be finished by then. Fingers crossed. But yeah, I'll see you there. So we've got the black interior ready to go in. There are the door cards there. So that's the passenger side, passenger back. And we've got the driver's side here. They're not in that bad condition, obviously. There's a bit of wear on the side here, but these aren't brand new, so there's going to be a bit of wear. And then obviously the back bench as well, which is in pretty good condition, except there's a little burn mark there. But other than that, it's all good. I've got this one in position to put on first. So I'm basically going to do the reverse of what I already did, well, to take them off. So I'm going to put them back in the reverse order, hopefully nice and quick, and then we'll go on to the door cards. The back seats are in, bench is in, back rests are in. I'd be lying if I said that were easier than putting them, well, taking them out. I had to kind of like bend some of the brackets. I think whoever took these out must have bent them, so I had to bend them back, but we got there in the end. Now, time for the front and passenger seat. 4 bolts each one and 2 plugs. I think one of them is like an airbag, electrical connector, and some heated seat as well. So these should be nice and quick. I don't want to jinx it, but yeah, let's crack straight to it. And that is the full interior back in. How much better does that look with a black interior compared to that light, horrible interior with the Audi badge on there? Pretty much the car is complete. All that's left is the MOT. Hopefully it'll pass, who knows. That's going to be the big like reveal whether it passes or not, but we'll see. But once that's passed, I can take it for a proper spin, and then it needs to go to the body shop. And luckily I have a friend who owns a body shop, so it'd be good to see him, see what I can do with the car, and there'll be a big reveal of what colour then. But yeah, how far have we come with this car? We've changed so much, upgraded so much. I think the wheels look absolutely sick, and that black interior just tops it off. Matches the black roof lining. I don't know why they did the light interior anyway with the black roof lining. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, please like, keep commenting, and I'll catch you on the next one.